If there is one dessert that I really love making, then it is rice kheer, commonly known as Chaler Payesh in Bengali, where chal in Bengali refers to rice and payesh is what you get by concentrating milk. So it is sort of a rice pudding, but according to me, it tastes far more better than a pudding. But that's just me because I love Chaler Payesh. Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bumbi. And today, for a change, I have come with a dessert recipe. Always use a heavy-bottomed pot for making payesh, or else things may get burnt at the bottom and we are not making burnt flavored rice pudding today. I added a dry bay leaf and 3 whole green cardamoms. Keep the heat of your stove on medium and bring the milk to a boil. For making Chaler Payesh, a very fragrant rice is used. In West Bengal, a rice named as gobindo bhog is used, but I do not get that in our Indian grocery store. So I use kalijeera rice, which is very similar to gobindo bhog. They are these short-grained rice and extremely fragrant. You can also use jeera samba rice. Wash the rice very well and soak it in water for about half an hour to an hour. As soon as the milk comes up to a boil, drain all the water from the rice and add it to the milk. Keep it on medium heat and stir it very frequently till the rice gets totally soft. You can also use basmati rice, but in that case, after soaking, drain the water and give a few pulses in your blender jar or maybe your food processor, so that they are broken down into small grains. See, the milk has started becoming thick. How do we know that the rice is soft? Just break a few grains with your fingers, but the best way to check is to taste them. They should be extremely soft, melting in your mouth. My rice has become satisfactorily soft, so next I will be adding condensed milk. You can also add sugar. This is my mom's recipe, but she never uses condensed milk. She always adds sugar, and that recipe is also on my channel. I will leave the link to that recipe in the description box. Adding condensed milk makes the payesh extra creamy. Always add the condensed milk or sugar only after your rice turns totally soft. If you add it before, then the rice grains will never get soft. After adding the condensed milk, you still need to stir till the milk thickens up more. You need to do this on a very gentle heat. Lower the heat after adding the condensed milk so that nothing gets burnt at the bottom. I remove the bay leaf and cardamoms at this point as their job is done. Do a taste test. My mom always adds just a tiny pinch of salt to any sweet dish. Just like we add a pinch of salt when making cakes, that tiny pinch of salt balances out everything. I felt the need for adding a little more condensed milk. The consistency shouldn't be too thick, not too runny. It does thicken up considerably once it cools down. So do keep it a little runny like this. And my Chaler Payesh is all done. Serve it chilled or it tastes good even at room temperature. But it is heavenly. In West Bengal, payesh is made for birthdays, festivals or any occasion. But my son requests me to make it every month. My mom even adds raisins. And as I said, I will leave the link to that video in the description box. Please give me a thumbs up, and if you like desserts, then for a change make this. I'm sure you will like it and kids will love it. Bye bye.